do a test of reading line instructions and see whether they make any sense. Yes, please.
My name's Mary Branson. I'm a light installation artist. This project that I'm doing, it's called Equinox, and it's part of the Surrey Hills larger event which is called Harvest One Moon. I wanted 100 women to come and make Equinox with giant lights in the landscape. There's been a lot of coordination, done several rehearsals. I've got Jan Alderman to help me choreograph the piece. Herself and a wonderful woman called Gronia are beating the rhythm of the drum to keep everybody in time. Over the last month, I did a lot of workshops.
It's got special. You have to buy it specially online. Yeah.
Today we're at the Patchworking Garden project. It's at the foot of Box Hill. I'm working with the community here to make loads of really beautiful moon lanterns. At the top of Box Hill we're going to have loads of choirs singing harvest songs. Everybody that's taking part up there, they're all going to be holding small lanterns.
So my name's Jim Pinchin, I work for Surrey Arts, and I've set up and run 2 orchestras. They share the same goal, which is about bringing groups together that might not normally have the chance to play music. We will have members of Up Orchestra, which is for children and young people, and we also have I Speak Music. For this event we're linking to other community choirs from all around Surrey, and by coming together and experiencing the music and this amazing landscape really helps us as a community and as individuals.
My name is William. I'm from North Syria. I think music is important because it brings people from different cultures together. You can make friends from different society, different culture.
The song is a traditional song, Lebanese. Today we rehearse it together, and we hope to have in this beautiful landscape good music.
There's a tremendous sense of excitement in the car park over there at the moment, a lot of laughter, though we're going to make it behind us now as soon as the sun sets.
Anna is leading Horsell Community Choir, Guildford Vox, Birch Tree Folk Choir and Stoughton Hearts and Voices Community Choir.
Like a rich man, he's sleek and well-to-do. He also like a pack of girls and like a dancing crew.
I've loved making this work. I love working with large groups of people to make something big happen in the landscape.
I'm Joanna.
And I'm Chip.
I just thought it all went really smoothly and really well, and the whole rhythm of the piece was good. I enjoyed it.
Taking people out into the landscape at night time to do something that is really quite extraordinary is just something that lives in people's memories, and you can't beat those sorts of experiences.